about to get out here and get try to get that sunset that I couldn't get yesterday because it was too late. 2 to 3 hours to complete the loop. Given that it's 6:25, that's probably not happening. Man, I am absolutely loving it out here. 82 degrees, sunny skies, no rain. Can't ask for more. This is one of my favorite areas because of these little plants, little purple plants. I'm not really sure what they are. We'll get on up a little bit more and get some good shots. Get the drone out. Still decent daylight, so should be good.